How to add page numbers in Google Docs. So in this video today we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. Okay, I have one page now, so I just make another page. So now we have 4 pages. You can see we have 4 pages here. So I can put the numbers on page. So first just go to the insert, and here you can see the page number option. You will have the 4 format here. First you can start number from 1, page number 1. Second, you can start page number from 2, and same as you can start page number from 1 and 2, but it is for in footer. Okay, so I just use for header page number format from page number 1. So you can see the page number 1 has been insert. Now we have to page number 2 and page number 3. Okay, so if you want to start page number from page number 2, then you can use the second option. Okay, it will be start from page number 2 from page numbers. Okay, so it is start page number 1 from page number 2, and in page number 1 it will be blank. Okay, so that is how you can insert the page number in Google Documents. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.